Exe bafethu ninjani bafethu, it's your boy Usmazi. This is VUT Ajola 99 bafethu Varsity edition. It is finally dropping bafethu. Ngithi bafethu basibhalele bafethu, sisevali abantu abakazibekanga phansi, abantu bayafeba bafethu. Basibhalele bafethu, umjidi yakhala bafethu, yakhala umjidi ukhala ngegirlfriend yakho uthi hayi ayimnikeza ukuthula bafethu. Ayimnika ukuthula ke. Abangaziyo bangibiza Usmazi, abanye bathi jupe namasweet amaningi oshoda ngomkhaba. Ngithi yazi kuthini? Asibangene bafethu siza ukuthi kahle kahle umjidi ukhala ngani, simuze ukuthini. Uthe use main dress kwamanje sibangene main dress, siyamuza umjidi ukuthi ukhala ngani. Azishe bafethu siyaceda ubufebe eVUT. Away. Say bafethu, we have made it to main dress bafethu. Shoot manje sida a prison break bafethu. Athi simhlole lo mjidi uthi ze room number 115 simuzwe ukuthi kahle kahle ukhala ngani. Athi simngena bafethu.
Usamanzi ntwana sibiskoropo sekufila nosamba phela ntwana ngcoke idabuke zodwa no MQ uyazi upling mfana usu over uswek dokotela ungifaka udrip ntwana ngiyidona at the back of a rover ntwana yama need a chauffeur ntwana yami I'm a stoner nigga ntwana gotta blow now too hard for this low life nigga no now
sebafethu siphakathi inside manje siphethe umthizo wafethu khamba kanjani la
sure
mfethu awusichazele bachazele mfethu why usibhalele la kuyajola
okay ngilongolezi lokwane I've got a problem there
sure
yeah I've got a girlfriend so ngiyone longo ngimthutha kufihla la yashima first year last year le
yeah
ngamthola kufihla la so all along isalenze kunale
sure
so ibila rekopane ni le ngwana ninga ahloka funding da tutsa bo minus fa se jwa so ibilo ka go king ke utshisha king ke mongada ene ba re movela ka go gumela bona na ke gumenyenyana jwa
sure
so re movela re le thuka da
yeah
so trailing etsa la ke gore ibilo ka uma June July abathola
NSFAS. So at the beginning of the year nhlangane during boma registrations kanje
yeah
first year
yeah
manje yena kana ma funds
yeah nasina funds at all
ma tell story wena uthi no you can move in with me
yeah
hayi okay ngiyakuzwa mfethu
yeah awuthisha buka bikere no king akamovela lena
sure
whatever is little lo ke ka ba ke na leon we were eating together there to show you how much I love him
sure
so we will again feeling is like it's immediately go June July but NSFAS
sure
and all along nanzalisha kama gamone belo nto sicela change she was acting upon me kusathi bona like utsala ngachinja nini usathama nyamela ayizana ko kusisamthula khona like utsala nkai
sharp
yeah so le tingobe le kana kumuya ke seki kopana lena atama le uchimu ya lisini I wasn't sure what was happening
sure
so akimoza ka dabeno she wasn't clear honestly clear about that thing so nakile ngolezi lo bantu batla kuthi make sure now are manje she think about me what's going on there
sure
yeah
so other than ukuthi wena uhlangane naye avani senior khona izinto ke wazisuspect nje ezingenza ukuthi uzucabanga ukuthi hayi lo muntu lo khona into ayenzayo sure
what's up sometimes you kilabona that thing you kana hana maybe there is something milo yeah kana no there is something milo there is nothing
sure
but I had that feeling of maybe there is something yeah
yini uchintshile routine yakhe izinto bekenza ngazo izinto akasenzi the same
yeah
sure
so that's why kichongere maybe kana bonchitela cause kore ntho tutsana sa dietsa ni sekile different ni sekike samtsebile mone lo re I was first to meet up with me.
Ngiyakuzwa. Bafethu niyamuza umthizo uthini bafethu? Umthizo ndoda uthi uthandana nomntwana, umntwana at the beginning of the year akana NSFAS ama funds. Basuka la bahlala boyithu erumini eliwani, badle iqanda boyithu, bashaya i-tin staff boyithu, bashaya inurul boyithu labafethu. Baceda umntwana vana ama senior ka understand ukuthi wenza njani, uchintshile kuyabanda la ngaphandle. Akekho kwamanje uva
nanti ngibutsa khona
Sure.
So ke yona ntho e leng hore e etsa hore qetelle ke batla hore le tlo nthusa lona.
Yebo bafethu. Kuphela uFebruary, kuphela iValentine, kuphela namathando. Kahle kahle emzansi ninjani bafethu? Mase kuchisa nabantwana mina ngiunderstand bafethu. Angiunderstand. Mara Mthizo mina ngizobuza into ewani mfethu. Are you sure ukuthi wena uthi vele lento lesiyenza ufuna ukumexpose lo muntu lo?
Serious mfethu.
You sure?
Yeah.
Angifuni ukuthi mina mase ngiqala sengikhipha amajita ngithe bafethu ake ngigijimele umntwana ngibani igama lalo mntwana?
Yeah, so like Tshepi la.
Ngithe bafethu na ngenani uTshepi bafethu ngifuna information ngifuna ifile mase ngiphethe yonke into ngibuya kuwe wena sothi hayi yazini simazi yima kancane no I'm not sure
That the thing over ihlike sure about this thing.
Sure.
Shoka uyithi la.
Usho ukuthi ufuna ukwazi.
Yeah, 100%.
Serious.
Sure.
Asayine Mthizo sayina nje khona la.
Sure.
Ngizwile ke bafethu Umthizo ufuna ukwazi ukuthi khambani bafethu nama mina ngazi ngokwami angazi ukuthi ngivayani kodwa mina ngithi shosho sizothola ukuthi ngivayani and ngithi amarodo ngiyawakhipha amajuba azondizela phezulu ikhova zizobe zibhekile just give me a few hours.
Sure.
A few hours uTshepi sobe sinaye la sithole ukuthi kahle kwenzakalani.
Okay.
Thank you boy.
Ayitlavele ithusithe manje.
Awe athi ngikushiyeke mina athi ngikushiye ngiyoba busy. Sebafethu shoot my siqeda ukuphuma khona la Prison Breaker 115 simzila Umthizo ukhala ngani ukhala ngecherry yakhe bafethu amaroto wami ba busy manje on that mission ngihleli phezulu kwamafoni manje ngithi yazini aningene uTshepi bafethu size ukuthi uTshepi kahle wenzani ubufebe yini ngobufebe emantombazaneni kahle kwenzakalani angisa understand manje shoot manje bafethu ngizobuya kumthizo ngimtshele ukuthi kahle khambani mase ngiphethe lonke ifile liphelele niyazi ukuthi izinto zishaya kanjani rooftop siyabona ukuthi ubani uJola nobani kanti umuntu kabani bafethu athi ngibangene
nayo mina lo ntwana ngiyambona at the corner vele ntwana lo yajola ntwana xola ntwana yami ngithi bola it's the low life all those bitches ain't loyal at the night time. Yeah, we partying, yeah, we clubbing. Some are loving, some are fucking, most are cheating. We turn nothing into something. You know how it is, nigga, at the night time. Hey, yo, bitch, man, I'm sober. Tryna just control her. Find you at the corner. Hey.
Sebafethu sibuyile la ngiphethe Umthizo bafethu shit manje Mthizo information umntwana esinayo yabo ngiphethe information athi ngikhombise evidence esquad let's evidence kada sure yabona ntwana ngithe ngizobuya kuwe ngisho
Yeah.
ngithe ispan sami ngiyasishaya ngisho
Sure.
bheka mfethu ubani lo ubani lo
Utshepi lo.
Utshepi lo
Yeah, ke na Tshepi ne.
ubani lo mjita lo
Jite una ke da mane yani ke nka bua ka ena da.
ile senior le
Yeah, wal senior da.
okay yabo benzani la babambene la
Damn it.
bafunzana kada yabo
Yo. Vele ngwane wanchitela u.
so ntwana mina ngiyena uthini ke because mina right now
Yeah.
ngiyazi ukuthi bakuphi right now
Now.
singavele sifonele uGhost yabo
Yeah.
uGhost uzongitshela ukuthi bava uthini sifonele uGhost senze njani
Mfonele, masimfonele.
ngithini sisiza uGhost athi sisiza uGhost Ghost
Sure.
Ghost bakuphi labantu mfethu Ghost
Housing manje.
bakuphi
Abantu bangena ema-housing manje. Kunama picture ngomsendele wona watholile ne.
sure ngwatholile ama picture manje bakuphi mfethu bangena kithi house
Manje bangena ema-housing bathi house 1 there.
house 1
So yeah, house 1 next to Taxi Rank.
Next to
manje bathatha ungena manje. Manje.
ngiyakuzwa thank you boy
Awe.
uzwile ke ndoda base house 1 manje labantu laba bangene e-house 1 shoot manje uthini siyaba attacker no
Masiba attack man.
ufuna ba confront
Batla go bona nje yeah.
awuhlehlele move
A ke mo ke apile nda.
serious usho
Serious yeah.
hayi intwana ke asivaya sabangena kada Hey bafethu.
Oh man, wait guys, okay, we're not do this right now. But Tepi, please go. Just please go.
Kanjani no. Hey, baby girls, kwenzakalani? Khamba.
Hey, cameras, what's happening with cameras
Why
now?
man? Why have to come with cameras to my house?
Kanjani?
Why
You are
guys?
cheating, Moss. You are cheating. Kwenzakalani la? Akusi boyfriend yakho lo mchi. Akasi boyfriend yakho lo mchi.
Okay, ungena bigger if your boyfriend me. That has nothing to do with you.
No,
Get out of my room with
This
all
boy must
this
focus on physics. This boy.
You can't bring me
You must go to physics.
No, you. Bab. Ubani nomntwana? Yazi ukuthi
It's my girlfriend.
Mara uyazi ukuthi unomtshita wakhe.
Umtshita asimnandi. Umtshita ngasimnandi mina ngenzeni. Hey chief, this guy is the first day. You can't be doing that to me. Hey chief, what are you doing though? Whoa. Hey, just because I'm skinny.
What's
You can't come to my room like this.
Why wenzakanje mfethu?
Umtshita ngasimnandi Joe. Umtshita ngasimnandi.
Shuthiwa ngiyakena ukuthi umntwana ubhizi nalomtshita ngathi.
Yeah, ngiyakena wona umtshelile umntwana ukuthi busy. Sure. But akasimnandi. What can I do, man? Sure. What can I do? You told me this guy.
Baby girls, get.
Take these people out of my room. Take all these people out of my room.
Bega. Why you cheat? Why? Kwenzakalani? Why menza so? Why wenza umthizo kanje? Why menza kanje umthizo?
Fuck out.
Calm down.
Baby.
No,
Wait. Asikhulumeni kahle lena.
let's talk man to man now and solve this.
Come back.
Recording now what?
Khamba.
First thing first, not the total meal when I'm good. One.
I'm good for
Izinto zakhona shama chacha. Wabona. Izinto zakhona shasha yazi ukuthi ngikhuluma ngayo.
Asakhompetele ulahla.
No, wait. Let's calm down now because I'm trying to address you wabona. Now she told me because nothing I'm a senior umuntu abomabithe izinto ezimnandi yabona. And when you must listen. And umtshela ukuthi wena must focus on my physics.
Yo.
Get your cameras out. Get your cameras out.
I see you guys.
You don't have the right to be here. Mama, camera away.
Yazi, asenzeni ngani? Asikhulumeni ngani? Asibuyisele umoya phansi, sikhulumeni ngani? Asibuyisele umoya phansi.
Why do there have to be cameras? Why do there have to be cameras?
It's a show. Mina lesi ispan sami, umtshito ungikhashile ukuthi ngizokwenza ispan sami. Yabo? Anyways, ngisenza grade. So ngiyacela asibekeni izinto phansi, sikhulume grade. Ngiya understand? Whoa. Asibekeni izinto phansi, sikhulume grade bafethu. Please. So mina ngizocela ukuthi mina ngikhulume nawe. Yes. Well, khuluma nechair yakho ja. Khuluma nechair yakho. One comment inside the bed. Inside the bed. Man.
What's on? Yeah? What alarms are gonna now? What happened?
Manje, you go so figure out my camera. You think it's fine to just come here with cameras? Why didn't you just ask me?
I am on a board. I don't know when I can't go with you. Was all gonna with a longer motive. Who's a Malena the first time?
How so bad, man?
Some butter.
What's about?
I was.
Insizwa mfethu ube there for lo mntwana since ekuqaleni. Umntwana anganayo NSFAS in. Wena manje umntwana one NSFAS soyamcova njalo nje.
Yeah, I understand, but that's not my problem.
Sure.
But they must deal with it because the girl was supposed to break up with the boy.
Sure.
Yeah, but you know, the girl Atiana, she's not feeling okay since this guy through the process and all those things. But I mean, I'm frustrated. I wanna be with her.
Ngiyabuza ubani kama ndoda? Ujabo. Bafethu namuza ujabo lomahlanga uthini bafethu? Athi sizwe labajita ngapha. Ndani, Thizo mfethu. Tsiphi. Tshepi khuluma nami mfethu manje uthini ke njengoba isituation kanje uthini umthizo umenza kanjani yena
ngitshela ukuthi angisamfuni
why umthizo ube there for wena ungana NS5
ufuna ngitshele wonke umhlaba manje wami to tell the whole world ukuthi you don't give me good
I understand mamela lalela Fethu bona chickens ngeke I collected you were with me the time go even the little that I have we were eating together but the moment you are also le sharp
I didn't ask you to take care of me.
Really?
Yes.
You want to
Like the cameras are seeing this. Uyambuka ukuthi unjani. So mina maza
mara na wrong wrong bafethu
mara mani izamfethu hayisharp
sure
bona mfethu I spent everything elongo nikina leona even as little we eating together so how come so wena sala mnatu usavala batho ngomba belongo banthola khona sikhathi mfethu ama club
Ekuse bafethu I finally got to Tshepi to calm down bafethu yabo uthi ngikhulume naye Tshepi kahle kahle mfethu ngicela ngichaze kwenzakalani mfethu kwenzakalani Tshepi why wenza kanje
mina uqala I don't know why there's so many cameras but
sure
yeah mina ngisamfuni I don't want him anymore
so vele your final word ukuthi awusamfuni lo mtshita vele after all you've been through vele nje ukuthi nje vele awusamfuni vele ufuna ukuvana amasenior vele into eshoyo le
why mele kube masinya kanti
hayi ngiyakuzwa ke Tshepi bafethu namuza uTshepi akakhulumiseki vele ukwatile uTshepi akafuni next bafethu uthi ngizumthizo uthi umthizo yena uthini bafethu umthizo njayami bonile ndoda kwenzekile yonke into eyenzekile mfethu ngitshele ukuthi iyajola ikusize kanjani ufila kanjani uGrand
eish akishapha
sure
at all akishapha
sure mara ungasho ukuthi iyajola ikusizile
Carlism
sure
even though I wasn't expecting this
sure
I wasn't expecting madam akanyetsa so after all go ka mo gantsingulengwe ke metsediseng yona
ngiyakuzwa I understand
mfethu na sina ne sala you mfethu
sure
at the end ukonto hayi wotla pelonda
yo bafethu this is ya July 99 bafethu varsity edition mangabe niyasidinga bafethu na email it's here on the screen bafethu email us nisifonele bafethu nazi inamba nazo here on the screen bafethu ya July 99 bafethu nithini siku rooftop and we can see ukuthi ubani ubhizi nobani kanti umuntu kabani bafethu azithini uSmazi lo aka uJup onamasweet amaningi oshoda ngomkhaba bafethu ngizonibamba we out